Okay, we're going to see today how the Crosswave Premier compares to the H2O Mop X5. We've already filled our container with our liquid cleaner. We're on a hard floor at this time, so I press this button. The button for the liquid spray is at my index finger under the handle. And as you can see, the light comes on when that spray is released. Works very well on hard floors. And on carpet, it's got pretty good suction. I'm holding the cleaner button now. You can see the liquid is on the floor, and the brush is actually not a brush, but a mop. It's got fiber instead of hard bristle for that part of the attachment. So now, I'm going to leave that rug there, but I'm going to go to a rug. But first I'm going to go back and I'm going to see if it'll pick up this excess moisture on the floor, and it does. Quiet, it's about medium weight. So I'll turn here and go to a rug and press the rug button on the handle. You can see that there, that's for the rug. And again, the light on the front shows that I'm applying the liquid solution cleaner to the rug. Has good suction. If you have to go from rug to floor, it's simple as pressing a button on the handle on the hard floor. Back to the rug, press a button. Dispense some cleaner. Pull a button underneath the handle. And with this mop / vacuum, it works very well. Unlike the H2O Mop 5, which doesn't have a cleaner or vacuum, this has both. Cleaner and vacuum. Thanks for watching.